Hey everyone, in this vlog, we are driving to the incredible adventure at Sohoton Bukas Grotto, where paradise meets excitement. We are here to explore hidden lagoons, swim with jellyfish, and indulge in a mouth-watering bottle-filled meal with our amazing group. Trust me, you won't want to miss a moment in this breathtaking tour. So, grab your snacks and let's jump right in.
Papunta pa yun. Papunta pa, ha? Papunta pa siya.
I just walk into the church to like visit and like hear.
Ah, ito yung sa vlogger, di ba? Saan tayo?
Available for 4. 100 daw.
Ito sa kabila magkano?
Kanis siya move man siya kay actually na arrange man ni karon. Kanis siya pwede ni siya ma-move diri. Diri ang yung original niya no.
Sige, salamat.
O kanis ka original. Ano na pwede mo? Oo, pwede akaning diri ba?
David, busog pa ako. Patawa na tayo din. Lutong ka ba?
Pag may pagkain, lagi magtuturo.
Busog pa ako eh.
Kayo.
Pero hanggang dito lang yung ano sila.
Iba ko sa kanila. Kalamansi. Oh, paparo.
Ano bibenta ka na? Ano bibenta?
Ano, siya yung sumigap na pagkain na bibigay ko. Scramble.
Na ano mo yun?
Oo, nakita mo siya sa ano. May nagano sa kanyang vlogger. Scramble ba? Or ano ba yung ano? Yung ice crush
Kaya
ice?
nga.
Ano tawag doon?
Ice crumble.
Ice scramble ba yun?
Kasi crush ice eh.
Pero alam mo yung sinasabi ko?
Oo nga.
Yung ano, sweet.
Cassava chips na sarmano.
Tapos yung speaker yung tumutugtog sa patrooper.
Balot bibi.
Kasi kayo bibi ako, di ko kaya.
Hindi ka kakain.
Umaya na pagbalik na. Yung mga tayo doon. Kakain na, kain na.
Ating crust pizza. Ang sarap.
Nadali mo yung plate doon. Pwede na pagbalik dito hanggang may isang pa.
Yeah, I always think.
Wala na eh. Bagal mo. konting madilim. Paggabi. I mean, madilim talaga. Wala, pero paano ba yung gabi? Kasi napaka-ano na ito.
Pagulian?
Good luck. Hanggang dito na tayo. Ang natin motor, walang meron din.
Sabi ko, yun na lang yung motor. Para makadulo tayo.
Kaya natin motor na.
Oo, para kung makadulo, pwede na lang. Hindi ka naman kakain. Parang doon tayo galing. Eh, kami kulay green na yun. Doon tayo galing kahapon.
Nag-falls na kayo?
Hindi pa rin.
Jawa. Siguro pag nakatalo na ulit sa Cleveland, mawawala na.
Kasya tilat yan.
Oo nga, naka tayo bababa siya.
Kaya parang
Baksak mo. Sama sa tuloy.
Anyway, I'm Oliver, representative from the local government of Socorro. This time, would like to inform you that we gonna serve you sa Oton Cove tour na po. So from here, it's a matter of 10 minutes going to tour sites, but your tour durations is a minimum of 1.5 hours and a maximum of 2 hours and able to complete the activity package, namely sa Oton Cove, Hagokan Cave, Diving Cave, and Jellyfish Lagoon. That 4 are the top attractions of Bocas Grande Island, and that's what you are going to explore right away na po. Okay? What we are talking here is only 3 important things lang po sana. 1 is a protocol here to wear life vest and hard hats. But if you wish to take off that one, that is optional. But to be clear, for those who do not know how to swim, we do not totally encourage to take off your life vest. Safety first is our top priority here. Okay? But if you, yung marunong talang lumangoy, pwede lang tanggalin once that you went to swim. Pero kung di po, we do not totally encourage you. Okay, the second one, we require you to obey and follow the instructions of your community guides during the whole tour durations po. Okay? The third and last one, please take advice that all your things that you'll bring is under your own discretion po. So take it exactly your cell phones, your cameras, everything, particularly for those non-beatable things. Because remember, for almost 2 hours, you go for water activities. So there's a tendency your things might getting wet or might getting lost during the tours. Again and again, we do advise you to take it exactly. If you have something that can protect your things like cellophane bags, plastic bags, or dry bags, if you have, we do encourage that one to use it right now na po. Otherwise, again and again, all your things that you'll bring is under your own discretion po. Okay, is that clear?
Yeah.
Okay, there are 3 major activities that you need to explore inside sa Oton Cove Tour. First, the Jellyfish Lagoon. For all you to know, we have 2 types of jellyfish here. The spotted one, the yellow one, and the white one. What we have right now is the white one jellyfish po. Okay? This is only a piece of advice. When you want to touch with the jellyfish, please do not stay longer sa itong kamutang sana para to preserve and protect po. Okay? Tapos, after, okay, again, once na nakatouch tayo sa jellyfish, wash your hands first before touching to your eyes po. Okay? And then we do not encourage you to be near the jellyfish to your eyes. Stay away the jellyfish from your eyes po sana. Anyway, that is harmless, but for the safety of your eyes, because our eyes is very sensitive, particularly in the jellyfish tentacles po. Okay? Then the second one is the diving cave. The diving cave is optional. Meaning, if you can do it, why not? You can go up and jump. It's a 12 feet plus your right, or 4 meters plus your right. If you think you cannot do it, we do advise you to stay on the ground and go back to your boat. Otherwise, when you go up, you take only 2 options. 1, you need to jump off. Second one will push you. And again, that is optional. Kaya, wag na po kayong magtataka kung ipupush kayo kung hindi kayo nakag-jump. Okay? Yung guide, don't you worry. Even you don't know how to swim, we allow you to use your life vest. But please do like this position lang when you're going to use your life vest, ha? Okay, don't do like this because sometimes your life jacket will hit your face. So just only like these positions. Okay, no worry. One guide up, the one push you, one guide down, one catch you. Okay? Okay, it's got clear. Okay, then the third and the last activity that you need to explore is the Hagokan Cave or Snoring Cave. That SAS activity that you need to go, the Hagokan Cave. But it's an amazing inside. It's a natural swimming pool inside. The water is luminous. Take a look. Green luminous one. Okay? That on your side, on your picture, that one. The Hagokan. Okay, that one is the Hagokan Cave. So, all you to that side, just only to swim. But is there any claustrophobic guest here? The one who are afraid in a closed area or in a cave? For the 4-in-1, is there any claustrophobic guest? Hearing none means say no. Okay, so if you feel uncomfortable inside the cave, please do advise to go out immediately. Just tell your guides po. Okay, in addition, double check your earrings, bracelets, necklace, rings if you have. Because sometimes when you go to jump, particularly in the heavy cave, mawawala po yan. Okay, so take it extra care. And then in addition, if you don't have snorkeling gear, we have still available out there just for rent 150. Because it's nice to swim with the jellyfish with the snorkeling gear. And then please do advise again and again, wear your slippers or much better if you have aqua shoes. Okay, final, is there any clarifications po? Hey, ring none means say yes, enjoy your tour. Alisan kami na tour, take over. Your guide is the one who identifies who's gonna go first and so on and so forth. Okay? Kay Kuya Rapram. And then this one, guys.
Kini sa inyo kabalancer?
Dili.
Kuya, si ma'am, ingatan mo ha.
Sir.
Paano ang pwesto?
Na naman. Kala na naman Korean ako.
Is Joseph, may I volunteer to guide, and my partner is Devin.
Morning, sir.
And
Morning.
my partner is Kuya Aljon.
Hi.
So, entrance of Suoton Cove, there are 6 minutes before the entrance of Suoton Cove. So, I will continue to explain you later because the boat is very noisy. Okay, kung gusto kayong pa-picture, pwede ako mag-picture, sir. Huwag kayong mahiya. So,
Okay.
pwede ako mag-picture kahit anong gusto ko sa picture. Okay, music, maestro.
Watching your lights as you pull away, playing back all our yesterdays. Paper airplanes, city lights and hazel eyes. Well, maybe I'll try and wear your shoes and walk the miles you made me lose. Feeling blackish blue on a road without you. And oh, you're holding all my blood in your heart. And now I'm wading through the love that I lost. You told me not to go when I wanted. Stay sheltered in the warmth of your soul. Breaking through the cold, beckon your bones to come home. I couldn't see a thing when I left it. It's safe within the still of the storm. I'm looking back with 20/20 vision, and I know I missed it. A mirror of memories looking back, pieces of us in a looking glass, clear as daylight, piercing through an autumn sky. I was drowning in a sea of black and white, lost in a maze of wrong and right. But the colors changed underneath the waves. And oh, you're holding all my blood in your heart. And now I'm wading through the love that I lost. Oh, pull me in before I am gone. Hold me longer while we wander alone.
Soton Cove because underground into the entrance. So 45 meters long and into the entrance of Soton. So ang Soton Cove is accessible during low tide into the enter because from high tide the entrance is closed. So now nag-start na po yung low tide. So gagawin natin pagpasok yung po. Fabulous! Wow, yummy! Luminous green water.
Pwede tanggalin na to.
Oh, tanggalin natin yung hard hat. Remove the hard hat. So, mamaya na to gamitin yung mga snorkel kasi medyo madilim sa loob. Sir, waterproof is sir? Waterproof?
Pwede mo i-try.
Hindi na lang.
Hindi mahirap na. Ay, ingat ka lang dito kasi pag din sa libig. Hawakan.
Kami na lang bahala sa dito. Kasi maganda dun sa loob.
Wala kasi yung anong
May bato doon sa loob. Pwede tayo makatayo doon para sa...
Bibi, be careful because the
Kaya ang parang bata.
oyster.
Okay. Ang lamig dito. Okay ka lang, bebe?
Okay, picture.
Hindi. I-tali ko yung ano ko.
Nay lang dito lang tayo dadaan para. Okay. Ako bata.
O na rin
Birabi.
kapag mo bata. Kalau itu. Yung uban ng to. Hindi ko sir. Tatanong mo bata? Oo.
You wait. Okay, pwede natin ipag-round natin yung pwede lang ma'am, doon lang tayo. Pasok lang.
Sige.
Oh yes. Imura ka. Patalis langan.
Oh,
Bata di mo. Di may stop.
di may stop. English ah.
Di mo na mo.
Di mapugnan.
Oo. Sama lang kayo ni leader yung bata ba. Ano sa bato?
Kuya,
Kung daw pwede.
yo wait, your guide.
Mahulog ka dyan.
Pakatrap eh. Pagdating mo doon, okay, talon.
Okay, picture muna tayo dito, sir. I-background natin yung ano, sir. Oo, dito. Oo, sige, doon tayo, doon. Apsi! Apsi!
Wala pa. Doon.
Ay, kita siya.
Kuya, cellphone. Ano, sir? Ala, helmet, guard na mo, doon mo.
Yan na.
Ano na? Kuya, sorry kuya.
Parang wala lang, no? Pero may tattoo siya, no? Oo.
say get rich so I can buy all that I want, but I've got all the smiles that I need. They say get famous so everyone will know me, so I don't listen to them anymore.